In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Chrome from running background apps when you close it. This is a handy little tweak that can help free up system resources and improve your computer's performance when you're not using Chrome. Whether you're looking to conserve battery life on a laptop or simply want to ensure your computer isn't doing extra work when you think it's at rest, this is a simple change you can make in just a few moments. First things first, let's get started by opening Google Chrome on your computer. If you're not familiar, Chrome is one of the most popular web browsers out there, known for its speed and extensive library of extensions. Now, once you have Chrome open and ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see an icon that looks like three vertical dots, often referred to as the menu button. This button gives you access to a range of options and settings. Click on that three-dot menu, and you'll see a list of options drop down right in front of you. From this list, go ahead and select Settings. The Settings page is where you can customize and adjust nearly every aspect of Chrome, from basic appearance settings to more advanced privacy controls. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look over to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a vertical panel with various categories. Click on System, which should be listed a little further down the line. This section of the settings deals specifically with the way Chrome interacts with your computer's hardware and its operating system. Once you've entered the system settings, find the option labeled Continue Running Background Apps when Google Chrome is closed. This setting is what allows Chrome to continue functioning in the background even after you've closed the browser. It's useful if you want certain extensions to keep working or if apps need to update continuously, but it can also use up valuable resources like CPU and memory, which isn't always needed. To stop this, simply toggle the switch next to this option to the off position. This tells Chrome to fully shut down when you exit it, ensuring that no apps or extensions remain active without your knowledge. Now, with that switch turned off, Chrome will no longer run background processes once you close it. You should notice some improvements, particularly in reduced resource usage, potentially leading to enhanced performance from your system. And just like that, you're done. This small adjustment can make a significant difference, especially if you're working on a device where system resources are a premium. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to give it a try, and let us know in the comments if it helped optimize your browsing experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. See you in the next video.